Getting lost in a foreign city or a remote area without an internet connection can be a real headache. But fear not, because Google Maps has a handy offline feature that can save your day. Here's how to use it. Open Google Maps. Fire up the Google Maps app on your smartphone. Search for your destination. Find the specific area you want to navigate offline. Download the map. Tap on the area you want to download and select the Download Offline Map option. Choose your area. You'll be prompted to choose a specific area to download. The larger the area, the more storage space it will take up. Start exploring. Once the map is downloaded, you can access it even when you're offline. Just tap on the downloaded map, and you'll be able to see the roads, points of interest, and directions. A few things to keep in mind. Limited functionality. While offline maps are great for basic navigation, some features like real-time traffic updates and public transit information won't be available. Map expiration. Downloaded maps do expire, so make sure to update them regularly. So, the next time you're planning a trip or exploring a new place, remember to download the necessary maps offline. With this simple trick, you can confidently navigate your way, even when you're off the grid.